The upcoming initial public offering of SBI Cards and payment services is something that the street is really watching out for. It's nearly creating a frenzy sort of a situation. It's set to open for subscription on 2nd March and the price band is fixed at 750 to 755 rupees a piece. We spoke to SBI Cards MD and CEO Hardayal Prasad as well as SBI's MD Dinesh Khara. Both of them spoke about the market share of card spends and the prospects of SBI expanding its offerings by partnering with SBI Cards. Prasad also talked about the SBI Cards priorities at the moment. Profitability is the priority over the position they will hold in the market in terms of cards issuance after the IPO opens for subscription on the 2nd of March. Listen in.
SBI Card is a 20-year-old company, a pure play credit card company. Anything it does is only credit card. It smells, it bills, everything which is only credit card. That's one of the most important thing and different. It is, for example, all our competitors are sitting within the bank and they offer products which is one of the products that they offer. For us, it is the product for us. So I think we build the products according to that, make life simple for our consumers, to make sure that the products are good, their value proposition is very, very amazing over there. And that's what. The second big difference that we have is the kind of distribution network we have. The kind of distribution network and the type of infrastructure that we have created is absolutely different than. We always were strong on the open market and not doing so strong on the banker side. What we have done and what we have built is a strong franchisee, not only of the open market, which was there, but a banker has become a very, very strong.
If you'd like to just leave the investors and market participants with a closing message of how they should view your IPO, what would that be?
I think what we have done is that we have been very consistent in our performance, whether it was return on assets, return on equity, in terms of the way we have built our revenue streams, the way we have rebalanced our portfolios on the revenue side. I think all these things are very critical from our perspective, and we'll continue to work with the investors and all stakeholders, the consumers, to ensure that all these things are taken care of. And if we can continue to do it and continue to be very consistent in our performance, I think we should be in a position to do a good job. That's more important for us, to ensure that the customer remains and all stakeholders remain very, very happy with what we have been doing.
The intention was not to unlock as much of capital from the company, but more it was to really provide an alternate source for capital for an entity like this, which is growing at a very fast pace. So we don't want that the company should have any kind of a constraint for the capital going forward. And that is one of the reasons that we are only offloading 4%, and Carlyle, which is the other shareholder in the company, they are offloading 10% stake in the company. The other question relating to what use we are going to put it to, we are a growing bank and a growing group. We'll certainly find opportunities where we can deploy this kind of a money, and we will deploy it to the best of the use also.
So you said that it's also an opportunity for you to expand your services to the customers. So in that sense, what is the opportunity that SBI Bank is looking at?
See, it's a card is a very, very important product when it comes to the offering which are being made by the bank. So as of now, many other banks are offering the card from the bank only. But we have a standalone company, and they are in a position to offer this kind of value proposition not only to State Bank of India, but to many other banks also, when they are offering the white label card to other entities also. And apart from that, they are in a position to enter into co-brand arrangement, which is actually a value, which adds to the value proposition for the customer. And the company is equally strong in the corporate card base, which is, I would say that in many respects, the company is very uniquely poised for that kind of a growth also.
Okay.